Hello and welcome to the 65th issue of the Horseman's Gazette. Our primary goal is simple: education by demonstration. For those critical foundational exercises and concepts that you need to see to truly understand, we bring you face to face with some of the most respected horsemen and horsewomen in the industry. Watch and learn as they work with their own horses, providing you with a step-by-step masterclass you can absorb at your own speed. Becoming a better horseman is a commitment. Let the Gazette be your most trusted resource. Saddle up and enjoy the learning. Have you ever wanted to explore a deeper, more profound connection with your horse? One built entirely on communication, not compulsion. Liberty work is that opportunity. In this segment, renowned horsewoman Alice Trindle shows us how to achieve incredible responsiveness at liberty, approaching the challenge with her signature structure. She sets a clear overarching goal, breaks it down into actionable objectives, and provides the specific tactics you need to succeed. You'll learn the critical differences in positioning for effective liberty work in both the round pen and the square pen. Stop guessing and start communicating. Let Alice guide you to a more willing partnership. In this pivotal lesson, horseman Tom Curtin shares the foundation that underpins all of his work: connecting softness to movement. Tom demonstrates precisely how he likes a horse to soften to the left and to the right. But for Tom, the bend is never the goal. It's the foundation. The only reason to teach a horse to bend is to connect that subtle release all the way down to the feet. Once a horse can softly untrack the hind end, you can gain the immediate ability to control and move the front end around. When your horse understands these core connected movements, there's truly nothing you can't ask of him. In this special feature, Olympic gold medalist Melanie Taylor presents a powerful demonstration of continuous education. We meet two young horses beginning their jumping careers, guided by Melanie's skilled students Alicia and Katrina. In this comprehensive lesson, you'll see their training progression, from detailed groundwork to refined flat work, and finally successfully navigating fences. The key takeaway? Everything is connected. Watch and learn how the subtle movements established on the ground directly translate to control and confidence when going up and over the jumps. You'll see firsthand how a strong foundation builds the path to successful performance. It's a question asked across disciplines, from the Western arena to the dressage court. What is the difference between a turn on the haunches and a pivot? In this focused lesson, renowned trainer Katrin Silva settles the debate once and for all. Katrin clearly demonstrates the mechanical differences between these two critical maneuvers, showing you the necessary steps, footwork, and rider aids for each. More importantly, she explains when each maneuver is appropriate to use, helping you choose the right tool for the right situation.